Hi friends, hi colleagues. So new trading week started and we start also. So let's check what is going on right now. And as we can see, today we saw some data about Canada and we wait about data about existing home sales in the United States of America. Tomorrow, Tuesday, November 23rd. It's a holiday in Japan and we shall see some data about New Zealand, really interesting data about German GDP yearly and quarterly about fourth quarter. After that, some data about Eurozone, as we can see it here, and also composite PMI, manufacturing PMI, and services PMI of Great Britain, and also MPC member Haskell will tell us something interesting, I hope. So that's all about fundamental analysis about nearest 2 days. Let's talk about technical analysis. And first, as usually, we shall talk about Euro USD. As we can see here, the pair is trying to grow, but sometimes we see that big players try not to give the opportunity for some traders to buy, because as we can see here, they try to show something like the price is like going down, but this is not true. The price is going up for sure. They are just trying to show us that it's going down. That's why my recommendation about this pair is to buy for sure. That's all about this pair. Next one pair is Great Britain pound with United States dollar. The same situation here. As we can see, here is a really good upgoing wave, and then we can see here a retracement. And also, like on pair Euro USD, they try not to give opportunity for some traders to buy, but this is false. That's why I recommend also to buy this pair, because really interesting events we shall see this week about Eurozone, about Great Britain, and also about some other countries. My recommendation is to buy. Nearest interesting levels are 1.3515, 1.3570, and 1.3620. That's all. Next one pair is United States dollar with Japanese yen. As we can see here, this pair tries to tell us that it's going up, but if we look at the graph, at weekly graph, we shall see that something very interesting is here, and here it's also false. And I recommend to sell this pair because this is double top, and I expect that this pair need to go down, and nearest target levels are 113.70, 113.15, and 112.40. So that's all about this pair. My recommendation is to sell. Next one pair is United States dollar with Swiss franc. The same situation here. I recommend to sell this pair because this pair is also tries to go down. That's all about this pair. Next one pair is Australian dollar with United States dollar. This pair stays strong and tries to go up, as we can see it today. A really good bullish candle. I recommend to buy this pair. Nearest levels higher 0.7290, 0.7325, 0.7355, and 0.7317. So that's all about this pair. I recommend to buy it. New Zealand dollar with United States dollar. We can see here really wide flat, and I recommend to buy this pair also because, as we can see, New Zealand is going to raise the interest rate of their bank. That's why this pair is going to grow this week. Nearest interesting levels are 0.7025, 0.7045, 0.7075, and 0.7115. That's all about this pair. Next one pair is United States dollar with Canadian dollar. In my opinion, this pair needs to go down for retracement for continuation this downgoing wave. This is first wave, this is second wave. It's retracement. We can check how strong is this retracement, and we shall see that here is really interesting levels, 61.8. That's why I expect that this pair will go down nearest time for sure. My recommendation is to sell. Nearest target levels are 1.2635, 1.2570, 1.2525, and maybe lower. So that's all about this pair. And next one is set is gold. As I expected, gold is going down because investors try to buy really interesting assets like Great Britain pound. That's why they take money from gold. And I expect that this pair will go down. So my recommendation is sell. So the week is really interesting, and I recommend you to trade carefully, to be in a good mood, and wish every one of us a really good profit. So be careful for yourself, take care of your relatives, and let everything be okay. That's all, friends. See you soon. Bye.